A team of dentists from the United States is raising concern about a surge in cases of tooth decay in at least one parish. Sandy Williams reports.
A silent threat is growing in Jamaica, and it's not picky about its victims. Children and adults alike are facing a surge in dental caries, commonly known as tooth decay. The culprit, high sugar consumption. For the past 12 years, Dr. Tim Sullivan, a dental practitioner from the First Presbyterian Church in Nashville, Tennessee, has been part of a mission team offering free dental care in Mandeville, Manchester. But lately, he's been noticing a troubling trend. Tooth decay is on the rise.
We see a rampant amount of decay in the adult and the children's teeth due to poor nutrition and lack of dental care, and the bug juice and the amount of sugar.
Dale Sullivan, another member of the team, explains that educating people is just as important as treating them.
We're trying to stress to people the need for reducing the sugar, reducing the things that are causing the cavities, and making, where teeth have to be pulled. So trying to prevent that.
The Global Oral Health Status Report 2022 paints a grim picture. 3.5 billion people worldwide suffer from oral diseases. A staggering 2 billion have decay in their permanent teeth, while 514 million children struggle with cavities in their baby teeth. The Andrews Memorial United Church in Mandeville has been working alongside the team, helping to organize and support their efforts. Reverend Kareen Wilson Bailey explains that the initiative was born out of a needs assessment in several communities.
Dental needs were critical and high on the priority list of persons because dentists, affording the costs for dentists here is very prohibitive for many persons.
Recognizing the dangers of excessive sugar, the Jamaican government took action in 2019, setting limits on the amount of sugar in beverages sold to students. Initially, the cap was 6 grams per 100 milliliters, but in January 2023, it was lowered even further to 2.5 grams. However, there is no regulation on sugar content in other manufactured products, leaving the door open for hidden sugars to continue wreaking havoc on oral health. With tooth decay on the rise, experts say a national push for better dental hygiene, stricter sugar regulations, and increased education is urgently needed.
It is really a need that we need to put more effort in to ensure that the population recognizes the effects that the sugars are having on our dental health.
Sandy Williams, TVJ News.